Welcome back to my video. In this video, I'll give some important MCQ based on the topic child development and pedagogy. So these are some of the key points you need to know regarding child development. Development is a continuous process. Remember, this is a continuous process. The rate of development is uniform, and then this is the principle of development. Development is a cumulative. Development is predictable. Development is the process of interaction. Development follows uniformity of pattern. Development is predictable and sequential. Development proceeds from general to specific. Development rate varies from person to person. So these are some of the important points you need to know. Now let's go to the MCQ part. Which of the following principle of development is incorrect one? So we have seen in the previous slide individual difference in development. There are individual difference in development. It is correct. It is a continuous process. It is correct. It is predictable. It is correct. So development is the result of coincidence. This is not correct. So option 2 is correct answer. For children in the age group of 2 to 8 years old, the pattern of development include motor, social, emotional, cognitive, and language skills. Option 3 is correct. Which of the following plays an important role in the development of moral values in children? Prayer assembly, proper socialization, intellect. All the options are correct. All the options plays an important role in the development of moral values in a child. Micro teaching is skill down teaching. Option 1 is correct. Thus occurs when there is orderly and progressive changes in human being due to maturation and experience. Development. Remember, okay, development occurs when there is orderly and progressive changes in human being. But it is growth in height, size. This is physical changes. This is physical changes. Okay. Next question. In which stage the physical growth is rapid? The physical growth is rapid in adolescent stage also, but it is very rapid. It's very fast in infancy stage. So option 2 is the most accurate answer. Which step is prominent in the syntax of teaching model of memory level and understanding level? Presentation. Option 4 is correct. Which of the following is not a characteristic of early childhood? Play age is not a characteristic of early childhood. Option 4 is correct. What is the age group of early childhood? The age group of early childhood is 2 to 6 years. And then 0 to 2 years is infancy. Infancy, okay? And 6 to 12 years is late childhood. Late childhood. Remember this, okay? Next question. What does development imply? Development imply development imply qualitative changes. Remember, okay, development is a qualitative changes, but growth is a quantitative changes. This is for growth. This is the main difference. Growth is a quantitative changes, while development is a qualitative changes, change in quality, where growth is change in quantity. Next question. When children are involved in planning, it helps teachers to take into account the varied learning styles of young children and their individual differences. Option 3 is correct, teachers. The child begins to form concepts of physical and social reality. This is one of the characteristics of intellectual development. Option 2 is correct. According to Piaget, which one of the following factors plays an important role in influencing development? Experience with the physical world. Option 3 is the correct answer. Development is a never-ending process. This statement is related to which principle of development? To the principle of continuity. Option 1 is the correct answer. Total time taken in Indian model of micro teaching is only 36 minutes. Option 3 is the correct answer. Which of the following statement is not correct regarding development? Development is a quantitative process. This is not correct. Development is actually a qualitative. It is a qualitative process. So option 1 is the correct answer. A child of 6 or 7 years old is not able to accept others' viewpoint. This is because he is egocentric. Option 2 is the correct answer. In which of the following skill testing of previous knowledge comes? Skill of introduction. Option 2 is the correct answer.